Hello and welcome to ABAC. I'm Dr. Joe Falcone and I'm the head of the Science and Mathematics Department here at ABAC. And I hope to tell you a little bit about today the programs that we have to offer here. Um, so let's take a look. So in the School of Arts and Sciences, we are primarily known for our bachelor's degree in biology. So the program is the Bachelor of Science in Biology. So it's a unique and it's an appealing four-year program for those interested in a variety of careers, such as those in research and teaching and planning on going on to graduate or professional school. So it comes in one degree program, and they have a common group of courses that makes it the common biology degree. However, you can pick and choose your electives and tailor your degree program under four different tracks that are most suited to what you're interested in studying. So some of those folks would like to study general biology because they want to be a biology specialist or generalist in all things in biology, creatures big and small. So there are many different types of courses you can choose under biology. Everyone will take the standard introductory biology 1 and 2, and then everyone takes zoology and botany as part of their foundational courses. And then after that, the courses tend to branch off into other concentrations. However, if you're a person that's interested in ecology and environment and wildlife, then the general biology track is probably the best fit for you. You'll get to pick and choose any of a number of electives. There's no restrictions as to what you can pick, just so long as you get the appropriate number of credits at the end of the degree program. And it is a good general overview of all things in science of biology. Some folks come in with more of an idea of what they want to do or what they want to be. So let's say that you were interested in medicine or dentistry or pharmacy or veterinary science or being a veterinarian. The pre-professional track might be a better fit. You would take all the same core courses within the biology curriculum, your general biology 1 and 2, your general chemistry 1 and 2, the basic mathematics and all the core curricula. And then once you're done with that, you would tend to focus your classes on those that are more interested in, let's say, human biology, human anatomy, things that would be most fitting to your degree program. So we've got programs pre-medicine, pre-dental, pre-pharmacy, pre-veterinary are all under the pre-professional track. So those are the white coat types of professions that you expect to see yourself going into. So if you're going to be a doctor of something, then probably the pre-professional track is a good fit for you. An alternative also is the biochemistry track, which gives you lots of possibilities. If you really do like chemistry and you find that you're very interested in chemistry and biochemistry, you could take the biochemistry track, which is heavy on the chemistry, even though it's a biology degree, and it will help you just as much for graduate schools, for post-baccalaureate study, master's or a PhD in, say, biochemistry or molecular biology. Genetics, those types of tracks, but people do use it also to get into medical school, dental school, pharmacy school, veterinary school, and so on. It's just a question of what you like. If you want to focus more on chemistry, then the biochemistry track is preferable to some. And if you want to just stay with organismal biology, then the pre-professional track is a good choice for all of those types of careers. And last but certainly not least is the health sciences track. And the health sciences track is for all those types of professions that are white coat professions, but they're not doctor of something. So you could be, say, a respiratory therapist, occupational therapist, physical therapy assistant, physician's assistant, kinesiologist, athletic trainer, all these types of things that would be clinical positions with a white coat, but not necessarily doctor associated with the degree track. And the difference between these tracks and this track and all the others is just maybe you're swapping out one course for another. You might not need as many, say, calculus credits for one versus another. You might not need as many physics classes for one versus another, but for the most part, it's a pretty standard biological science curriculum that you'll be expected to take. So those are the bachelor's degree programs in biology. Our students have been highly successful. One of the hallmark features of our program is that there's a lot of hands-on time. We allow you to do more experimentation than most places that are comparable size. A small school like this allows us to get hands-on time for student-based research. And getting your name on poster publications or other publications, or taking those research opportunities on the road to professional conferences. And all of these things are door openers and wonderful things to put on a resume so that you could have a more competitive application to, say, pre-med, going to med school, or pre-vet to going to vet school, and so on and so on. So these hands-on experiences are rather unique to us. You might not get the same opportunity to work side by side with a mentor in a research project as you might if you had gone to a larger school. Coming to ABAC allows us a lot more personalized attention to your particular needs for all of the programs, for all of the tracks. So we encourage students to get involved in mentored undergraduate research projects. And one of the hallmark aspects is that we have a capstone research requirement within the major, where you would be paired with a professor and some upper division students and start a research project. And then by the time you're ready to graduate as a senior, you will have done a research project, presented it, and demonstrated that you're ready to go on for graduate or professional study by actually showing the work. So you get to do hands-on science. You can see our students are doing gel electrophoresis and polymerase chain reaction, or working on mass spectrometers, and doing all kinds of excellent hands-on work as part of their research projects. And each one of the faculty within the department have research projects that students can work with, and they encourage the students as early as possible to get involved in mentored undergraduate research. So if you choose to come and be with us, then this will be something that you'll have to look forward to, and we look forward to having you work with us on these types of projects. Here's an example. Dr. Heather Cathcart is working with C. elegans to figure out how the organism responds to stimulus, and then how it responds to stimulus after being exposed to various chemicals. So she's got numerous students working on her projects, and each of the faculty members within the department do have research projects that you could work in with them on. And then last, I just want to leave you with a few parting thoughts, and that is the life in college is very different from what you're used to in high school. It's a less structured environment, and you have a great deal of freedom, but you have to learn some personal responsibility because mom can't fix everything for you here. You're actually on your own, and part of the most important skills you learn here are life skills as to how to comport yourself as an adult when you get here. So just remember, it is possible to fail a course if you don't put the time in, and it is possible not to get all A's as well, even though you've put a lot of time in. It is much more challenging, but when you work through your challenges, the rewards are great as well, because you'll have great job opportunities and career opportunities when you get to the other side of this. So you have to learn how to be on your own. You have to learn some self-discipline. You have to learn to work hard and learn to do things for yourself. And we encourage you in all aspects of your time here at ABAC to learn not only the content, but also how to adult. So with that, I'll leave you with thanks.